But make the police carry out them job. Roadblock.
Peeps, you know, as a rule of thumb, I don't give credence to no politician. Because I know we not trust them guys there. I know we don't mince a word when them slip on where I beat them, no matter which color or which party them support. Now, I for one has been speaking for a very long time about the situation which exists in which members of the security forces, in carrying out their duty when there are cases of fatal shooting of people who the police have categorized as violent producers and gang members and criminal in some instances, we see where the community comes out very strong in protests crying for justice for these men. And conversely to that, we see a situation where women and children are raped and murdered and mass shootings take place in some of these same communities that came out in protest of these men who are believed to be violence producers, and nothing, not a word, not a protest for these children or women. And we're seeing now where Member of Parliament for West Kingston, Desmond McKenzie, has said basically the same thing.
And what is worrying me is that I don't see nobody demonstrate for the death of this young, innocent school footballer. Not one demonstration. But make the police carry out them job. Roadblock. Innocence, man. No do not.
And while we're not itch to beat the politicians when them forget beaten, this is a situation where a politician is actually making sense. I hope Mr. McKenzie is saying this from his heart and I am truly believing it, and he wasn't saying it for the camera, because these things need to be said. Politicians need to stop run come on TV, come defend crap when them know say the man where police kill a criminal, and we not support extrajudicial killing or police excesses, but the truth is that we need balance. If you are going to demonstrate when police kill somebody who is believed to be a violence producer, then when criminals kill innocent women and children, then we need to call for justice too. While we call them out when they do foolishness, we can also take the time out to shout them out when them say sensible things. And this was a very sensible statement, and it is something for other politicians to look at and call the thing as it is. A spade is a spade. A spade can be a shovel.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!